guys, it's Dej, and today I am going to do a hair tutorial for you guys. I'm just going to show you guys how I get my hair to look curly and defined within my little puff, because right now it is not, and we are going to go ahead and fix this. So before we get into it, I just want to show you guys the product that I use. This is something that I put together myself, which I will have a video on this as well one of these days if you guys are interested in that. But yeah, so let's get into it. So yeah, the only thing I use in my hair, guys, is natural shea butter, honey, different oils, mainly coconut oil, and water. And that's it. That's all that is in that little mixture that I made. And this usually keeps my hair moisturized after I twist it up for a good week, and then I'll redo it. So yeah, guys, after I get my entire head twisted, or the top part of my head twisted, I leave it in overnight, sometimes 2 days, just depends. But yeah, and then in this video, I actually come back after 2 days with my twist taken out, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I get my puff. Oh yeah, guys, drop some comments down below if you want to see a video on how I mix the products together. And if you want to see a video on me actually taking down my twists and things like that, because I'm thinking about actually taking you guys on my hair growth journey with me. So just let me know down below if that's something that you guys are interested in, because I can definitely start getting those videos coming out as well. But yeah, stay tuned if you want to see how I get my defined curly puff. So there you guys have it. Really cute, simple puff on short hair using natural raw ingredients. Yeah, that's that. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I also wanted to feature my friend's lip gloss on this video as well. Her name is DutcheZ on YouTube. DutcheZ Palace Lip Gloss. This is the Rose lip gloss that I'm using today, and y'all is y'all need to go check her out. I'll leave her link down below. But yeah, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video, comment down below, and hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys next time.